In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom CSS to your Squarespace website. Now, custom CSS is essentially where you can add some code to essentially override some of the default Squarespace styling options. So if you actually take a look on my page right here, you could see this button right here, which has this blue background kind of as a box shadow. You can't achieve this by going into the Squarespace styling menu. What you have to do is add some custom CSS to be able to achieve this. You can do many things with custom CSS. You'll have to just Google some of the ways that you can do it, but to actually be able to get the custom CSS menu and just go ahead and edit some things, I'll show you exactly how to do that. And what you need to do is go over to the left hand side of your menu system right here and click where it says pages. From here, you scroll down to where it says Website Tools, and then you will see the Custom CSS menu icon. Now, if you go ahead and click on this, you will see that I have already added some custom CSS on this website. And if you look right here, we can see the custom CSS that I have added for this button. So there's some different elements that I've added, but one thing that I could go ahead and change, as you can see, we have the box shadow and I have it currently set to blue. So if I was to take this off and set it to red, you will see that this is now updated to red, and I could also make it bigger by changing it from 5 pixels to 10 pixels either side. And as you can see, the website has adjusted in terms of its styling as well. Like I said, there's so many different things you can do with custom CSS, so do look into it, but that's essentially how you can add custom CSS to your Squarespace website. Hope this video helped.